Most new YouTube channels fail in the first 6 months. Not because the creator isn't talented, because they're guessing. Guessing what topics to cover, guessing what titles work, guessing what thumbnails get clicks. But here's the thing, you don't have to guess. Every successful channel in your niche has already done the hard work of figuring out what goes viral. The patterns are sitting right there in their most viewed videos. You just need something that can read all of it and decode the formula. That's exactly what Claude Code does. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you the complete system. 5 steps to reverse engineer any viral YouTube channel, generate a month of proven content ideas, and create scripts and thumbnails that follow formulas that already have millions of views. Zero coding required. Before we start, here's what you need: Claude Code. You need a paid Claude plan, $20 a month for Pro. You can use the desktop app, the terminal, or claude.ai/code. vidIQ. This is a free Chrome extension that lets you see video stats and sort channels by most popular. The free tier works perfectly, and about 10 minutes per channel you want to analyze. That's it. No spreadsheets, no analytics tools, no coding. I'll give you the exact prompts to copy and paste. Speaking of which, I've put every single prompt from this video plus bonus prompts into a free PDF blueprint. Comment the word channel below and I'll send it to you. Step 1. Pick your target channel. This matters more than you think. You want channels in the 10,000 to 500,000 subscriber range. Why? Because they're big enough to have clear patterns, but small enough that their growth tactics are still visible. Mega channels with 10 million subs grow differently. Brand recognition carries them. Here's what makes a good target: they post consistently, at least 2 videos a week. They have clear winners. Some videos get 10 times more views than others. That variance is gold because it tells you exactly which topics and formats resonate. They're in your niche or an adjacent niche, and they're still growing. You can analyze multiple channels to find patterns that work across the entire niche, not just one creator's style. Step 2. Collect their top 20 videos. Go to the channel's video tab. If you have vidIQ installed, you can sort by most popular. Otherwise, just use YouTube's built-in sort by popular. For each of their top 20 videos, copy these 5 things into a text file. 1. The full title. 2. The view count. 3. The publish date. 4. The video length. 5. A thumbnail description. For the thumbnail, just describe what you see. Red background, shocked face, white text saying "I quit," arrows pointing at something. Be specific. This thumbnail data is where a lot of the magic comes from, because Claude can identify visual patterns you'd never notice on your own. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes per channel. Step 3. Feed it all to Claude Code with the analysis prompt. Open Claude Code and paste your 20 videos along with this prompt. Tell Claude, analyze these 20 videos and give me title formulas, hook patterns, thumbnail patterns, topic clusters, length sweet spots, a comparison of the top 5 versus the bottom 5, and posting patterns. Then compile it into a viral playbook. What Claude gives back is incredible. It identifies the exact title structures that get the most views. Maybe this channel always uses a number plus a power word plus a bracket. It finds the thumbnail formula. Maybe their best thumbnails all use a red background with a shocked face and 3 words of text. It spots topic clusters. Maybe tutorials get consistent views, but controversy videos get the spikes. And the top versus bottom comparison tells you specifically what separates a hit from a flop on this channel. This playbook becomes your content strategy blueprint. Step 4: generate 30 video ideas using the playbook. Now, tell Claude, based on the viral playbook you just created, generate 30 video ideas for my channel. Tell it your niche and your target audience. For each idea, ask for a title following the formulas from the analysis, a hook, the first two sentences to retain viewers, a unique angle, and an estimated appeal rating of high or medium based on how closely it matches the proven patterns. Claude gives you 30 ideas ranked by potential. These aren't random brainstorms. Every single one is engineered from data that's already proven to work. The high rated ideas follow the exact patterns that got millions of views. You now have a month of content that's pre optimized for your niche. Step 5: pick your best idea and tell Claude to write the full script. Say, write me a YouTube script for this title. Match the hook patterns from the playbook. Follow the same pacing and structure as the top performers. Target the sweet spot length from the analysis. Match the energy level. Include timestamps and B roll suggestions. Claude writes a complete, ready to film script that follows every pattern it found. The hook matches what's proven to retain viewers. The pacing matches what keeps them watching. The structure matches what performs best. You're not copying anyone's content. You're using the same structural formulas that are proven to work. It's like knowing the recipe without copying the dish. But we're not done. Tell Claude to create a thumbnail concept for this video based on the patterns from the analysis. Claude gives you a layout description, composition, element, positioning, a color scheme, primary, accent, background colors that match the proven patterns, a text overlay, maximum 4 words, positioned where the data says eyes go first, the emotional trigger. What feeling should this thumbnail evoke based on what works? And here's the game changer: it generates image prompts. You can paste directly into Midjourney or Dolly to create the visual elements. You now have a complete video package: title, script, thumbnail concept, and image prompts, all reverse engineered from proven success. The entire process, from picking a channel to having a ready to film video, takes about 10 minutes. Let me give you 2 bonus prompts that take this system even further. First, the content calendar prompt. Tell Claude to take your 30 ideas and build a 4-week content calendar. Specify how many videos per week. Claude schedules them strategically, alternating between high and medium potential topics, starting with your highest potential video first to build momentum. Second, the competitive gaps prompt. Tell Claude to analyze the playbook and find content gaps. What topics are clearly in demand based on view patterns, but the target channel hasn't covered well? These gaps are your blue ocean opportunities, topics with proven demand and no competition. This alone can give you breakout videos that go beyond what the target channel has achieved. Here are the pro tips that separate people who get results from people who don't. 1. Analyze 3 channels, not just one. Patterns that appear across multiple successful channels in your niche are the most reliable signals. If all 3 channels use numbers in their titles, that's a niche pattern, not a coincidence. 2. Update monthly. Trends shift. Run the analysis again each month with fresh data to catch new patterns. 3. Test titles before you film. Ask Claude to generate 10 title variations for your top idea. Post them as community posts and see which ones get the most engagement before you invest time filming. 4. Study the failures too. Their worst performing video tells you exactly what to avoid. 5. Don't copy, adapt. Use the structural patterns as your framework. Then inject your unique perspective and expertise. That's what makes your channel worth watching. Here's why this changes everything. Most creators spend 2 years and hundreds of videos just figuring out what works through trial and error. This workflow gives you that knowledge in 10 minutes. You're not guessing what titles work. You have the formula. You're not wondering what thumbnails get clicks. You have the pattern. You're not brainstorming random topics. You have 30 data driven ideas ranked by potential. The patterns are already there in every successful channel. Claude just reads them faster and more accurately than any human can. One analysis session gives you a month of content that's already optimized for your niche. This is how smart creators launch and grow channels in 2025. Every prompt from this video, the analysis prompt, the idea generation prompt, the script prompt, the thumbnail prompt, plus the bonus prompts, they're all in the free PDF blueprint. Comment the word channel below and I'll send it to you. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe. I make videos on AI workflows that give you an unfair advantage. See you in the next one.